Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Steam is actually running and you're signed in, because the API needs an active session to initialize. Once done, launch Steam first, then attempt PES. This forces the game to detect Steam handles. Next, quit overlays and third-party utilities like custom overlays, VPN, or aggressive antivirus, since they commonly block Steam API handshakes. Make sure the game files are in the Steam library folder, so Steam can manage and authenticate them correctly before deeper fixes. You now address file and permission issues that break initialization. Run both Steam and PES as administrator to avoid blocked IPC or file writes. This often solves access denials. Next, verify integrity of game files through Steam so any missing or corrupted components are restored automatically. Also inspect the game folder for Steam API, DLL, and ensure it matches the game's architecture. Mismatched or missing DLLs prevent the API from loading. If you replace files, for final cleanup, you either reinstall Steam or perform a clean client install when persistent API errors remain. This refreshes core libraries. Before doing that, add antivirus exceptions or briefly disable real-time protection and try again because security software often blocks Steam hooks. Once reinstalled, run Steam normally, sign in, and launch PES. If the problem still appears, try compatibility mode for Steam or uninstall and reinstall PES through Steam to ensure a fully managed, authenticated installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.